In this video, I'm going to show you guys the easiest way to make a skirt pattern. So the first thing you have to do is fold your pattern drafting paper or fabric, whatever you're working with. If you're working direct on the fabric or pattern, you have to fold it at the center like I have done. Then you're going to draw a straight horizontal line at the top, and this is going to be your waist line. So on the waist line, you're going to mark your waist circumference, divide by 4. If you're adding your seam allowance, you can add your seam allowance on the paper, or you can add it later on your fabric. Then next, you're going to mark your waist to hip measurement and your waist to full length. So draw a horizontal line on the hip line. Then you're going to mark your waist to full length of the skirt. Then you're going to draw a horizontal line on the full length. Then next, you're going to mark your hip circumference, divide by 4. So this is a pencil skirt we're drafting. Then on the full length, you're going to get whatever measurement you have. So this is the hip. You're going to get the measurements that you have on your waist to make it a pencil. That's the one you're going to put at the full length. Or you can get your hip circumference minus 2. Then put it down there. Then you're going to connect the points together to shape your skirt. Just connect like I am doing. Then on the hip part, you can just blend in and make some smooth curves with the curve ruler, because our hips are not just two straight lines. It's a nice curve, so just make some nice curves. The next, we'll put the dart on the waist. Find the midpoint of your waistline, then go downwards by a few inches to make the darts. Then on the sides, go outwards by half an inch on both sides. Then draw a vertical line on the dart, then connect it to the 2.5 inches to the 2 halves outsides. So guys, this is how you easily make our pencil skirt pattern. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more.